matching and why it's important. So, three things really. First one, probably the least important, is, I mean, it sounds like 10 times cooler when you rev match, when you're, you go to downshift, and instead of just shifting down, just like this, which is, it was alright, but the experience is so much more amazing if, hold on, get on this hill, if instead listen, it just sounds so much better. Anyways, another reason why rev match is important is it's much softer on your car, much softer on your transmission, on the motor. So instead of like just jamming it into gear and the RPM just spikes, you just basically give it like a little blanket. It's almost like jumping off something high and landing on a cushion. That's kind of what it does. You just give it a little bit of a cushion before you put it in gear. It's real basic. It's more of like a rhythm thing that you start to kind of get in a rhythm of doing and kind of a habit of doing. But it's normally about between like 500 and 1,000 RPMs is normally your blip, and then you just hit the gear. So like right now, I'm in 4th gear doing 45, about 2,500 RPM. If I blip to about 3 grand and put it in 3rd gear, it should give me a nice smooth transition to 3rd. Just like that, and it's buttery smooth, and like I said, it just sounds so much better, so much nicer on the car. It's just all around, it's just a better way to drive, and they're making so many cars now that do it for you automatically, so that's got to tell you something that, it's an important feature of driving the car. It annoys some people, I'll tell you. Some people think you're being excessively loud, revving the car. I've actually got that from a few people. Very few people that get upset or like butthurt compares to the people that are just like in love when they see it. I get thumbs up out the back of windows, and it's like all day. It's unfortunate I got a car in front of me. I'm about to just wait for a few so I can go a little bit faster. Maybe they're turning. No. Anyways, rev matching, whether you're riding a motorcycle, dirt bike, driving a car, anything that has a manual transmission, rev matching is so much better for it. And it sounds, we're going to hit first now, right? A little higher of a rev to go into first. You'll start to get the hang of it. You really start to get the hang of it when you feel it out. But, just throw the clutch in, give it a little blip, put it in gear. Instead of just, you just give it, I hit the road, that was my bad. That was my bad. I thought I was in 4th going to 3rd. I was in 2nd and I went to 3rd. That was my bad, it didn't work. Alright, he turned. Alright, so now I can really give you maybe a little more fast down rev matches so you can kind of see how it works when you're driving fast. Listen to that thing. more. Oh, right? That's second. Which you would normally, I probably wouldn't be in second, but since I'm making this video, I'm downshifting a little more. But you really, in this car, you will seriously upshift just to downshift. That's how much fun it is to downshift in this car. Like, you will just shift up, like right now, let me just put it in fifth, so I have more gears to downshift through when I get to the stop sign. So now I can go to fourth, third, second, first. Police station's right here. We'll give them a nice loud, and we don't care. It's all good. It's stock. And then second. Oh, it does that. Actually, that's good. I'm glad that it did that on film. One complaint I have about this car. Sometimes the exhaust gets stuck. Like it gets stuck in between, and you go to like doing a rev match and you'll be in quiet mode. And it's just like, oh man, it's like embarrassing. I can feel it happening right off the bat. So I don't really, I'll like just push the clutch in, let it coast, and then I'll catch up that first one instead. But it really only does it in second. I'm really only seeing it do it when I'm going from third to second. Other than that, it doesn't do it. But I'm glad that it did that right there. Anyway, just a short little video about rev matching.